I've been thinking. Have you ever noticed how some mornings you wake up feeling refreshed and light, while others you're stuck with a sluggish, bloated sensation that just won't shake off? It's like your body is trying to tell you something, but what? For many of us, this feeling can be a constant companion, especially when we're trying to get healthier. But what if I told you there's a simple way to kickstart your body's natural balance and wake up feeling more like yourself every day? It all starts with the gelatin trick, a daily ritual that's been making waves in the wellness community. After 30 days of incorporating the gelatin trick into your daily routine, you might start to notice some pretty amazing changes like a boost in energy and a more stable digestive system. My friend who's been doing the gelatin trick for a while now says it's been a total game changer for her, helping her drop that heavy feeling and start her day with a clearer mind. If you're curious about giving the gelatin trick a try, be sure to check out the link in my description for more information on how to get started. And if you have any questions, head to the pinned comment below where I've shared some helpful tips to make the most of the gelatin trick.